Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing stitching of bell bottom pants. I've shared its pattern and cutting in my previous video. Click the link in the I button or description box to check it out. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll stitch the crotch on both front and back. Place both front pieces right sides together and make a stitch. Overlock it. Similarly, I'll stitch back. Now I'll stitch darts on the front. Fold the fabric like this. I've marked tucks on the starting point. Match them. Now I'll make a stitch. Tie a knot at the end to secure the dart. Similarly, I'll stitch other dart. So I've stitched both darts. Now I'll iron it. Now I'll attach belt on the front. For belt, I'm using this fusing buckram. You can easily get it from any tailoring material shop or you can also buy it online. Measure and cut the required length. Belt width should match elastic width. I'll be using 1 inch wide elastic, but belt width is 1.25 inch, so I'll trim 0.25 inch from the belt. Now paste belt on the fabric with the help of iron. Fold and iron the seam allowance on this side. Now turn around the belt like this. Leave ½ inch of seam allowance and trim the excess fabric. Now I'll attach the belt. Join belt on the wrong side of front part and make a stitch. turn around the belt, fold the seam allowance inwards and make a stitch on the edge. Make a stitch on the top as well. So I made a stitch and this is how it looks. Now on the back side, I'll attach elastic. Place the fabric on the wrong side of pants and make a stitch. So I made a stitch and this is the elastic I'm using. Waist round is 33 inch. Deduct 5 inch and I'll get 28 inch. Half of 28 is 14 as I'm inserting elastic only on the back side. On the elastic, leave half inch for seam allowance. Mark a point at 14 inch. Now don't cut the elastic. Place it and fold the belt. Insert the seam allowance inwards and make a stitch to secure the elastic. Now turn it around like this and I'll make a stitch on the edge and not on the elastic. So I have stitched it. Now pull the elastic. Here is a mark. Leave half inch for seam allowance and now cut the elastic. Now again make a stitch to secure the elastic on this side. Make a stitch on the center. This will keep elastic in place and distribute gathers equally. Now join both front and back right sides together and I'll make side stitch on both sides. Similarly, I'll stitch other side. Now I'll finish bottom round. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll stitch other side. Lastly, I'll stitch center seam. Join the crotch and make a stitch till the end, and repeat the same process for other side. And with this, my pants are ready. Once you stitch the pant, just try it on and alter it if needed. So my pants are ready and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.